Okay, we have today Samsung A04s for not charging, and you can see the charging port pin already damaged. So we're going to change this Type C charging port. First, we have to open housing from this area. Have clips. You should to open it. Okay. When is when disassembling, you have to be careful. There have fingerprint ribbon flex cable. First, you need to remove this camera shield and unclip the fingerprint flex. Okay, this is the camera guard, and we have to unclip the flex like this. Then you have to unscrew this all screws bottom side. You don't have to remove motherboard, just the bottom side motherboard. You have to unclip this and remove this screw and unplug the antenna cable. Okay, now you can take out the motherboard. Okay, now I have clamped the motherboard into both holder like this, so now we can work on the motherboard easily. First we have to cut the glue on the charging port. Okay. Now we can heat from the top and remove the charging port gently. Okay. See. Now we have to clean pads. Add some plugs. Now we hold the solder wick. Okay, now we can add some fresh solder onto the solder joints. Now clean with some alcohol like this. see, it's like this. uh, this is our new charging port. We're going to add some solder on the charging connector into this part, like this. Now it's easy to solder onto the motherboard. Okay, now we can add some fresh plugs and mount our new charging port. I'm using 360 degrees. Yeah, speed 40. Good. Now we can solder our lids. Okay, it's perfectly soldered. Okay, now we have completely assembled our repaired phone. Now we can plug into charger and test. Okay, now it's indicate charging symbol. Let's wait. This take some time because the battery is dead completely. It's have to pre-charge. Okay, it's charging perfectly and it's taking 1.6 amps. Good. Okay, I will come back in another video. Thank you.